Hello and welcome to a video discussing the Apache Netbeans IDE and how to install this on our computer. So the Apache Netbeans IDE is a very vast IDE. We could use to program our codes. It could support a lot of programming languages, but for today, we will be specifically using this for Java. So let me go ahead and start. My screen right now is showing the download search on Google. So let's go ahead and select the latest one on file, or we could go to the main screen so you could also identify yourself with it. So this is how their interface looks. So fast and smart editing. It supports, as I said, multiple from Java, JavaScript, PHP, HTML5, CSS, and more. It also could do cross platforms from Linux, Mac, OS X, BSD, and Windows. There's a lot. So the latest release is Apache Netbeans 17. I stand myself corrected. Let's go ahead and download this. So let's click on that button right there. So it will give you a lot of links to choose from. But since we are using a Windows product, let's go and click on the Windows 64-bit exe package and installer. Alright, so we have it here. There is a suggested link to download. You can just select that. It will automatically install on your computer. Let us give it some time and I'll be back with you once it's installed or completely downloaded from my browser. Okay, we could see that it has already been fully downloaded on our computer. Let us go ahead and open up the installer to complete the process. Alright, you can see the installer here on my computer. Since I have already the necessary files downloaded, I could just easily cancel, but let me show you a quick video from a different link that would explain everything thoroughly, and let's go ahead and watch it together. Okay, so you can see that the installer is being pulled up here on this person's computer. It's just waiting it to load. There will be a prompt that will show you, as also on my screen earlier when I tried to record, it won't show. We'll have to finish or wait for it to configure itself. After that, a pop-up screen will show of the installation. Just click on next. This one, everything that is needed will show, so you could just click next. Let me just fast forward that. So just accept the terms and condition or the license agreement on the software, then go ahead and click next. You should create a default file for this to have your projects and the software itself saved. So with this video or the process, just click next and check for updates. Yes, it is very important to have your software up to date so that you don't have to reinstall. The only reason why you also show or saw my installer look like that is because I have the latest drivers and files uploaded for the software. That's why it was very quick for me to do. Now once you have installed, it will show or prompt this window and you could just click on finish. So after that, I will be showing you how it would look like as well on the welcome page of the software so that you could familiarize with it. Alright, so let me go ahead and introduce you on how to start a new project with Apache Netbeans. Unfortunately, since I've already started a new or multiple projects here, if we'll have to start a new file, we'll have to select a project for us to go it with. So let us start a new project instead so that you'll be more familiarized with it. So let's go Java with Java application. Click on next. Let's have a project name of computer programming 2. So finish. Alright, you could see here how a basic code starts with. So we have here the comments, usually annotated with a /apostrophe and is ended with or closed with a apostrophes /. Then we have the package and the name of our package or our project. Then we have the class. The class is started with curly brackets. It starts with the method and your project name. This one is your class definition. You always have to start your program with a class. Alright, and then there we have the main method. This area here with the comment is where you start your program. Everything inside this area here, every execution from start to end will happen inside. So you should never forget that. Alright, so let me show you a few more of the basics. Alright, so let me introduce to you the basic part. So here on the first line we have the variable, your holder of the value. Int is your data type method that is used, int for integer. Then we have the basic display code, which is the system out print and the system out print line. Inside we call the variable num to show the number 1. Never forget to add the semicolon to your to every line of your code, or else your code will not run. It will cause an error. Next we have the second system out print line. Hello world, the most basic output. The most basic output there is. And you will end it as explained earlier. It will be ended by 2 curly brackets, one from the class and one from your main. So there is more to learn about Java, but that's pretty much it that I will be discussing with you guys. I hope you all have a great day and see you in the next video.